Minecraft lovers! Today, going to make another video of Minecraft. What's the guy? Moses? I wish there's a website that could join me. I really want to do it because I'm alone. I'm always alone. Why am I always alone? I guess options, controller. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Drop. What's drop? I don't know that. This is the taxi. Awesome. Like this. Okay. Next is item. No. Left. Left is where is the left. Is the left. Inventor. Tab is yes. Not tab. It's a tab. A tab. Tab would be W. Slash no. This is the music slash. D. No, like that. Sorry. R. Yeah. I love this. Okay. No, I'm not gonna create a focus on the selected world.
Nasaan dito yung bills? Kasi wala.
Yeah, pa.
Oh. Wala. Gulo-gulo.
Yes, pa. I'm... Did I restart? Did I? Yeah, I'm doing it. I forgot to say that. What did I just do? Okay, cool. I wanna do something. Is that what I would do? What can it be? And this is not real. It is not real. Woo! Yes! Love it. Nice. I'm getting done. Nice. Did I just say something? Did I just say something? Hello? Anyway. Okay. So, if you want to go to Minecraft, there's a website. I can find here. This is a website. There's my favorite. So the website is instructor.ev/. Okay, that's all. So now I'm here to show you the waterfall I just made here. That's really awesome. and I love it. I love Minecraft. Easy. Okay. You can see my armor though. Because that's broken iron. Yeah. Okay. Oh, she did that. I did not just do that. I just had to do something thing. And you got so far from Minecraft. Oh, don't go there. Wait. Where is it? You just can't show them. I think I want to show it. I always think so. I want them here. That's where okay, so now we're doing this. And that's anyway, I'm here for another Minecraft. What do you even I guess so. I love Minecraft. Whoever he's Minecraft. I love it. I'm gonna put it down here. I love it. I think I'm gonna do that again. Yes, Papa. Anyway, sorry about my father. Ah, that's funny. I love my father. I love my father. very messy. Oh, that. I'm very messy. Yeah. That's why I don't know. Oh. Okay. I'll be right there. Sorry, I have to. I'll just put that one. For a while, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat. And I'm back. That was a very bad lunch. I love it. Anyway, where was I? I forgot. Oh my god, what did I do? Another one. For my list, my favorite website would be this. This is a website that no one knows.
Uy, ba't kayo? Walang si pagkain si Birdie.
Wala? Yeah. Nice. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my. Too nice. How did I do this? Nice. It's not my fault to do this. It's amazing. The one I eat is delicious. I can feel it. And I am not doing. Oh my gosh, it's so I love paper. I don't need a book. Yeah. And some reminders. Here's the reminders.
Bakit puro buto?
God bless. My mom going to Australia. And, why am I using the bed again? Okay, so anyway, goodbye, YouTubers, viewers, Minecraft lovers, Minecraft users, for the first time users, like that, and okay, hey guys, bye, bye bye, bye 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 bye.